Morning everyone. Today's Wednesday, 15th of May 24. I'm going to analyze DAX. But before we jump into the 4-hour and daily, let's go and have a look at the fundamental news. So today we can see some data which might have a minor effect, like a yellow folder. I'm not worried as much for that this morning, but the core CPI, that's the most important news today, which could have a big impact on DAX. So before we jump into that, we had a core PPI yesterday, came much higher than expected, forecasted. So that's why we had that push to the downside and indecisive move. But having said that, I think the market is waiting to see what result we're going to get for the core CPI, which is the producer price index. That's the consumer price index. So the core value is more important because it has a more sticking point in terms of inflation. So so it was 0.4% last time. So we can actually look into the actual data, but that was April data. So we're expecting 0.3 percent month to month. So we're expecting a lower level. But having said that, because the producer price index was higher, I don't know how that will have an effect, but this is quite key for today. Also, the sales figures are also important. All of these news at New York Open is important. So I would say, apart from this could actually provide the direction for the rest of the day, or perhaps tomorrow morning. So then we have got the unemployment claims, which is also very important for tomorrow. So let's dig into. So I do look at the trading view, sort of like economic calendar as well. So again, these are the ones that we just covered. Sometime I'll find some of the yellow folder here is a red folder over there. So so on the daily, we can see that, of course, that push to the upside, and then Monday we had this pullback. We can see it here in the red candle, and then yesterday we created this hammer candlestick. So that means also we could have pullback and going up, but depends on the news. So that's more probable in terms of medium term. So we could have we could actually push to the upside quite strong, and then pull back around about this region, and then go further. You can see this better on the 4-hour. So you can come see this trend line is already broken yesterday. So we could retest this zone depending on the news. We could actually stagnate around here, or we could go higher, or we could go lower to this zone, which I'm gonna come into next. So we've got the 30 minutes. So that's the zone that I just mentioned. So we could come up to this zone, 18,740, and test this zone again before going higher for longer term. But for today's analysis, I'm looking at this is the 10 minutes, by the way. My 10 minutes and 3 minutes are Heiken Ashes. So if we for definite break this zone again, it was we broke it, but we got rejected again this morning. If we break it, we could go and have a look at the short opportunity here, which is the lower probability in this case. Depends again, but wouldn't go lower than this zone. And the other two opportunities that I am more keen on is the long after breaking the Asian range high. So this will be here. So this also reflects on the Asian high of Monday. So if that zone breaks to the upside, we could see prices reaching at least the all-time high, or at least go into that direction, which would be nice. I hope you find this video interesting, yeah, I see you tomorrow, but I will be possibly trading after the news, not before the news, because market is in undecisive mode at the moment, and there's not much liquidity. So yeah, if you like the video, please do like it. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.